guys, this is Jing. Today I want to give you some tips on your profile page. I have a new testing account here. This is a complete new account. I haven't filled out any information. This is also the same page you will get after you sign up. We can have a quick look what all the informations we need to fill out. And then come back to the top. You can see above your profile picture, here are some options and then some buttons you can click. If you want to put information for yourself, you just click edit. And then this page will jump to the editing page. On the editing page, you can also see here are two options. One is account, one is profile. Account is for you to editing your password, and then you can choose some settings for email and then contact settings, private message settings. Most of your profile page, you can do that on your profile section. First of all, we can see a tagline. A tagline is something you can sum up yourself or your service, and it cannot be longer than 70 characters. And then second part is location. Location is you can choose the places where you can provide your services. You can choose as many as you want, but on your profile page, it chooses the first top 3. And then gender, you can choose male, female, English level, and public phone number. If you want someone to call you or message you, you can put your numbers here. Transportation service provided, you can click in the box, and then you can your price. Profile pictures, you can choose from your file and upload. You can click on the image and then drag to mark how image will be cropped. And then certificate. Certificate is like your tour guide license or your identification, something to prove who you are. And then about me is the key. In this area, you can write down who you are, professional skills, your experiences, and lots of details about your services and yourself. And this is the most important thing to attract the trippers and make them to understand you as soon as possible. And then click save, you will get your information saved. Well, we can have a look at Terry's profile page. Terry is one of our most popular tour guides in China, and he has been working with us over 10 years now. So on his page, I bet you can learn something. First here, he has a profile picture, and then his name, Beijing China Guide Terry. It's very clear, it shows who he is. Tagline, for the best China business and sightseeing experience. Locations, and then his price, and then he also uploaded a certification. Here, all the information that they request. About me, he put a lot of information here. Besides the information about yourself, there are also sections for reviews, which is written by your clients, your trippers, people who use your service, and then they will be all show up on your profile page. And below, there are all the contents you post. It could be album, the photos and articles and attractions you post. If you want to know how to post those information, I can give you another tour next time. Simply, it's just use those buttons on the top of your profile page: at tour, at attraction, at photo album, and at articles. It's very simple. If you add an attraction, on the right, it's the attraction's author. So yourself will be also shown here on the attraction, and then your tagline, your name with a link. So if the tripper is interested in this attraction, they can also link to you. That's why your tagline is also very important. And on the bottom, in the for tour guide section, we have a make your profile perfect link, and use this link you can get to our page with lots of tips. We have lots of sections here. First, we have 4 tips. Photos are very important. The tour guides with photos that gives a clear view of their face, attracts more clients, and be honest with your English level. And about me is the key. Tagline shows on every piece of content you add, so make it count. And also below, we have more details about how you can use your photos and how you can define your English level and how to write your about me, guidelines about how to tell more about yourselves, and contact information, taglines, everything. We have lots of keys here. It's just to find the link in the bottom for tour guide section. The other important thing is we have different types of tour guides, and for different types of tour guides, there are some different on their profile page. For example, Terry, he's a premier tour guide, so all the information he filled in can be shown on the page, including of the links of his own profile page. But if you are a PPD membership, a pay per deal membership tour guide, and then on your profile page, instead of your contact information, there will be Sinotrip's contact information. So when the trippers want to contact you, they will contact us first, and then we forward their request to you. That's the difference between prepaid and pay afterwards types of tour guides. I will put down all the links in the description down below, and if you have more questions, you can just email us to admin@sinotrip.com. Once you filled out your profile page, you will get a 3 months free membership, and then feel free to contact us to get it started. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.